Thank you so much. Guna chish, Gúnta Business, Ishkatanya Hut, Gúnta Business. We are so tremendously proud to be accepting the Yukon Innovation Prize Award. We are so honored to be in our communities delivering a virtual General Assemblies product where we're helping democratic services bring in their citizens, bring in their people wherever they are for more improved democratic function. And with this prize now, we're hoping to take this to the next level and start with cultural celebrations on the land and bringing elders and youth and culture together. So gonna cheesh for that.
Sanicho, thank you so much. I just wanted to give a huge shout out to all of our family and friends for holding us up during this past year. It's definitely been busy, so we give you a big thank you. And I also wanted to give a huge shout out to our partners, AVCR Productions, Upstream, and J Hall Productions. We couldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you so much.
And cheesh.